In 2024, learning AI is vital to career growth. While everyone wants to learn it, it can get pretty expensive pretty quick. However, with the right resources, you can learn it for free and become a certified AI professional. In this video, I'll share with you the top free courses where you can learn about AI absolutely for free. Many of these courses offer certifications that will enhance your credibility as an AI professional. And at the end of this video, I'll be including the top 3 paid courses that offer certifications that will make your resume irresistible. Let's get started. Number 6, AI Foundations for Everyone by IBM. This is a free Coursera course that's aimed to help beginners build the foundational knowledge that's needed to understand AI. This course is going to give you a basic understanding of AI. If you're a complete beginner with no previous technical experience, then this is going to be a great start for you. Here's a brief overview of what you can expect to learn from this course. General AI terminology, information about what ChatGPT is, how it works, and how to use it. You'll also learn the basics about large language models, natural language generation, generative AI, and data science. Finally, you'll gain a good understanding about what machine learning is, engineering basics of AI, and you'll even learn how to build your own AI-powered chatbots without any programming. Overall, if you're looking for a beginner-friendly course that makes it easy for you to step into the world of AI, then this AI Foundations for Everyone by IBM is where you should start. Number 5, ChatGPT for Beginners. This course provides a comprehensive introduction to ChatGPT, equipping learners with the skills that are necessary to effectively utilize this powerful AI tool. Throughout the course, participants will gain familiarity with the ChatGPT interface and learn the intricacies of prompt generation, which is essential for creating precise and purposeful interactions with the AI. The curriculum delves into specialized areas, such as designing coding prompts for technical tasks, generating nuanced feedback for iterative processes, and using ChatGPT for efficient email communication and dynamic script writing. As the course progresses, you'll also explore advanced techniques in report prompt creation, mastering keyword-based text generation for SEO, and crafting compelling marketing prompts that engage and convert. This free course is a valuable resource for anyone who's looking to dive deep into the world of artificial intelligence and expand your skill set in AI-driven content creation. Number 4, University of Pennsylvania's AI for Business. The University of Pennsylvania offers a free course called AI for Business. This is perfect for anyone who's looking to understand how AI can be used in business. This course focuses on leadership and management and is part of a larger program about using AI in business settings. By taking this course, you'll learn how to use AI responsibly, especially when managing people. You'll explore how data, AI, and machine learning work together to change the way that businesses are run. The course teaches practical skills in AI, how to analyze data, machine learning, managing teams, and preventing fraud. It is a great opportunity to learn important skills that can help you make smart decisions in business using the latest technology. By the end of this course, you'll know how to apply these tech tools in real business situations and be ready to lead with confidence in a tech-driven world. Number 3, Introduction to Generative AI by Google. Google offers a free learning path called Introduction to Generative AI, which is a series of interconnected courses designed to give you a comprehensive understanding of generative AI technologies. This learning path starts with a basic Introduction to Generative AI and progresses through more detailed topics, including Introduction to Large Language Models and Generative AI Fundamentals. It also covers important ethical considerations with a course on Introduction to Responsible AI. This learning path is ideal if you're looking to dive deep into how generative AI can create content, make decisions, and more using large language models. Additionally, with Google's sponsorship, you can access all of these courses for free, making it an excellent opportunity to learn from one of the leaders in technology for 100% free. By the end of this series, you'll not only understand the mechanics of generative AI, but also how to use these technologies responsibly in various applications. If you're curious about the future of AI and want to be part of the next wave of tech innovation, this is the perfect course to get started. Google's comprehensive approach ensures that you gain both the skills and the ethical framework that's necessary for working with advanced AI systems. Number 2. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence from Stanford University. Stanford University offers an Introduction to Artificial Intelligence course that's perfect for anyone who's looking to get a solid foundation in AI from a credible source. Now, this one's labeled as an intermediate course. It's incredibly accessible and ideal for diving into the realm of AI, machine learning, and robotics. The course is 16 weeks long and only requires 6 hours a week. The course structure is divided into 2 main parts: the fundamentals of AI and its applications. Across 22 different lessons, you'll cover a wide range of topics, backed by interactive quizzes that help reinforce the material that you've learned. Best of all, if you sign up for Udacity, which is free, you can take this course at no cost. This is a fantastic opportunity to learn from one of the leading institutions in the world, gaining both theoretical knowledge and practical insights into how AI can be applied across various fields. Whether you're looking to advance your career or just curious about AI, Stanford's course on Udacity is a great place to start. Number 1. Prompt Engineering for ChatGPT. Take your skills further with advanced techniques for ChatGPT. This is an expert-level course provided by Vanderbilt University on Coursera. This course dives deep into prompt engineering for large language models like ChatGPT, offering you the tools and techniques to master sophisticated prompt applications. Throughout the course, you'll learn how to strategically use patterns to enhance the performance of ChatGPT, enabling you to develop advanced applications for a variety of uses, whether it's for personal projects, business solutions, or educational purposes. The curriculum is designed to equip you with the knowledge to craft prompts that effectively communicate with AI, unlocking powerful capabilities that can transform how you interact with technology. By the end of this course, not only will you have a comprehensive understanding of advanced prompt engineering techniques, but you will also earn a certificate of completion from Vanderbilt University, showcasing your expertise in this cutting-edge area. This certification can boost your professional profile and open new doors in tech-centric roles. Alright, that brings us to the end of the 100% free courses. Now, these next ones that I'm going to talk about are a few options that if you're able to invest in will go a really long way. Really quick, before I go over these, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you found any value from this video so far, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Thanks. Now, let's get into the top 3 bang for your buck courses. Number 3. This one comes from LinkedIn and Microsoft. Career Essentials in Generative AI by Microsoft and LinkedIn is a 4-hour, 30-minute course that requires access to LinkedIn Learning. This course offers certification from Microsoft, which you can display on your LinkedIn profile and add to your resume. Number 2. Advance Your Skills in AI and Machine Learning is a course offered on LinkedIn Learn. This course is 21 hours and 46 minutes. This course goes over machine learning, model optimization, and even how to create your own AI user interface. Advance Your Skills in AI and Machine Learning offers a certification from LinkedIn that you can apply to your profile and resume. Number 1. Become a certified AI professional from the creators of AI themselves. NVIDIA. These self-paced trainings can be accessed directly from the NVIDIA website. They offer a large variety of courses. You can learn all about accelerated computing, generative AI, and graphics and simulation. Some of these courses even offer free lessons, with others costing $30 per course. This is an incredible bang for your buck offer that offers you a multitude of certifications from one of the most credible sources in the industry. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you found this valuable, click that thumbs up button. And make sure to click the video that's on screen now. Thanks for watching.